And so back with number 5, exactly the same process that we've done before. The thing to notice this time is that both the numerator and the denominator of the fraction on the left have some pretty intense factoring that needs to be done. So we'll come over here to the right and we'll get started with that. So I'll do the numerator first. We have x squared plus 2x minus 3. AC method, 1 times 3 is 3. We need factors of 3 that make 2. There's only one pair of factors, 3 and 1, so it will be a positive 3 and a negative 1. And it looks like I'll want the negative 1 first, so that the 3's are together there on the end. We'll do the da-da-da. We can factor an x out of the left side, so x times x minus 1. And we can factor a 3 out of the right side, so we will end up with another x minus 1. So we get x minus, I should draw my arrows like I always do, this guy and this guy get pulled out. We have an x minus 1 times x plus 3. So my numerator of the fraction on the left gets replaced with x minus 1 times x plus 3. So that was my numerator. My denominator is x squared minus 2x minus 3. AC method, 1 times 3 is 3. Factors are 1 and 3. We need factors that make negative 2. So this time it's going to be an x squared plus 1x minus 3x minus 3. We do the da-da-da. On the left, I can factor out an x. On the right, I need an x plus 1, so I need to factor out a negative 3. So x plus 1's factor out. We have an x plus a negative 3. If we rewrite that, x plus 1 times x minus 3. So our new denominator is x plus 1 times x minus 3. And then this is being divided. I just noticed the division symbol there. So just like dividing regular fractions, what we need to do is convert this to a multiplication sentence and put what was in the denominator in the numerator. And so on the right now, if I look at what I could factor out, I could factor a 3 out of my numerator. So factoring out a 3 leaves x plus 1 over x plus 3. And so I see that I've got an x plus 1 there, an x plus 1 there that will cancel. I've got an x plus 3 here that will cancel, and an x plus 3 there that will cancel. And I do believe that that is all the canceling that I can do. So now if I multiply what remains, I've got an x minus 1 times 3, so 3 times x minus 1 in the numerator, and an x minus 3 in the denominator. And again, I'm not sure what Alex will want. That would be acceptable for me. They may want you to multiply it through, so that would make 3x minus 3 over x minus 3. Either one of those will be totally acceptable for me.